All right, guys, let's take a look here. You should have completed the first part of your notes in the previous slide, which was define explore, and then how do we add rational expressions. Now let's take a look at how do we subtract. Let me make it a little bit bigger. So the first thing I'll tell you guys is subtraction, just like addition, is we need to make sure that we have the common denominator. Common denominator. Okay, that's the most important part. Let's take a look at an example with the same denominator. 3/5 minus 2/5. Okay. Check. Do they have the same denominator? Yes. So we will proceed by adding or subtracting the numerators. 3 minus 2, and denominator stays the same. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Okay. And that's it. We're done. Let's take a look at another example. Let's do, I don't know, 5 divided by 7 minus 2/7. Let's check. Do we have the same denominator? Yes, they're both 7. So now we can simply subtract the tops. The bottom stays the same. 5 minus 2 is 3. Bottom is 7. And we're all set. That's it. We're done. Now let's take a look at example where we do not have a common denominator. Okay. So let's say oh, I'm making these up, guys. So sorry. My brain slowed down a little bit. Let's do 3/4 minus 1/2. Do we have the same denominator? No, we don't. So we have to find the LCD, or what we call the lowest common denominator. Okay. What number, in other words, what number does 2 and 4 go into? Well, 2 and 4 both go into the number 4. Okay, so I'm going to write that first. Okay, for the first one, for 3/4, I didn't have to do anything. It's already 4. 4 goes into 4 one time. Whatever you multiply the denominator by to get the LCD, you have to multiply the top by. Okay, but 3 times 1 is just 3. Now to get 4, I had to do 2 times 2, so I have to multiply the top times 2. 3 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 2 times 1 is 2. Now I have the lowest common denominator. 3 minus 2 over 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. Denominator stays the same. Okay, please, guys, if you get stuck, let me know where you need help or where you have questions. I want you guys to do the practice now on your own. Let's show what you know. Let's do these practice problems. You guys will have to write these down on your own. One, number 2 is number 3. You will have to find the LCD here. How do I get out of there? What happened here? Okay, number 3 is Okay, and let's do number 5. Let's do another one with you have to find the LCD. Uh-oh, my pen's froze. I think my whole computer froze. I don't know what happened, guys. It looks like it jumped time, so I think the thing froze. Sorry if it's something messed up. If the video's messed up, just let me know. Number 5. You will have to find the LCD. Okay. Let me know if you'll have any questions on the practice. And then for the understand what you have learned, what I want you to answer on this part is summarize. Summarize how add and subtract is different from multiply divide. Rational expressions. You don't have to copy the question down, just please answer it in your own words. Summarize how add subtract is different from multiply and divide rational expressions. That's it for this little section. We'll start a new one tomorrow.